Open your browser and search Chat GPT sign up. Open Chat-Openai. Click Sign Up. You can sign up using your email and a password. This option will request for email verification. You'll have to verify your email using a link that will be sent to your mailbox. The easiest way is to continue signing up using your Google account since your email will be verified automatically. Key in your name and date of birth and continue. Enter your mobile number and verify it by keying in the verification code that will be sent to the number you have provided. Congratulations! Your account is now set. After contact verification, you will be directed to your account and you can now start enjoying chat services. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.